Today's enterprises are facing a rapidly evolving cyber threat landscape. Ransomware, phishing, insider threats, AI-powered malware, zero-day attacks, and advanced persistent threats are targeting critical organizations every second. The challenge is no longer just detecting attacks. The real challenge is managing millions of security events, reducing false positives, connecting disconnected tools, and responding before business damage occurs. This problem is especially critical for energy and power sectors, oil and gas, manufacturing, smart cities, government, BFSI, telecom, healthcare, data centers, and ICS environments. In these sectors, cyber attacks can impact not only data, but also operations, infrastructure, safety, compliance, and national security. Introducing EventShield Plus, a unified AI-driven SecOps and cyber defense platform. It brings together CM, SOAR, EDR, XDR, NDR, NGFW, UBA, threat intelligence, DFIR, email security, DNS security, web security, ITSM, managed SOC, and compliance monitoring into one centralized platform. For IT SOC, it provides real-time monitoring, threat correlation, alert prioritization, incident management, and automated response. For SOC, it helps monitor industrial networks, detect abnormal device behavior, identify lateral movement, protect critical assets, and improve operational cyber resilience. Powered by AI and behavioral analytics, EventShield Plus identifies suspicious activity, maps threats to frameworks like MITRE ATT and CK, performs root cause analysis, and recommends faster response actions. The platform reduces alert fatigue, improves visibility, accelerates investigation, automates response workflows, and strengthens enterprise-wide cyber defense. EventShield Plus, helping organizations detect faster, respond smarter, and protect critical digital and operational infrastructure. Contact us for demo.